Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a bottle of love. So let's get started. To draw this cute bottle, let's first start by drawing the top of our bottle. So I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line across. And then I'm going to come to the sides right here and round it off within the little lip of the jar. So right here. And go ahead and connect it once again with another straight line. And now that we have that, let's come down with a little neck, come in a little bit. We're going to come straight down on both sides. About right there, and then we're going to come out. So pop this part out. And of course, you can draw any shape bottle that you like. This is just meant to inspire you. So now I have that curve, I'm just trying to draw a very general, simpler shape jar here. So I'm going to bring this down, and from there I'm going to go ahead and go straight down to draw my jar. So bear with me here, I need to look at my camera, make sure I'm going straight. And let's see here, bring it down, and about right there, I'm going to start to kind of bring it in. There, so same thing over here. Right here, and then we can bring it in. And connect at the bottom. So round it off, and at the bottom, just draw a straight line across. And connect. There, now we have our jar in, right? So then from there, let's bring it to life. So about in this area right here, I'll start and draw a big circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. Then come right across, and we'll draw another circle about right here. And now I have my circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so now that we have that, let's come to the side, to the top right here. We just draw a curve above each eye, and then let's just give our bottle here a sweet smile. So right in between the eyes, we're just going to draw a curve and cap it off. There. Then from there, let's spruce it up a little bit more. Let's come to the sides right here. We're going to give our bottle some arms. So we're going to drag a point right across. That'll be extra sweet. So let's come right here. If you want to do that, we're just going to bring a curve all the way across to about right here. Oh, where did my dot go? About right there. And same thing. And before we connect, we're going to come about right here and draw the hands. So it's kind of like two C's. And I'll come in here and thicken this up. There. Aww. And then let's fill our bottle here with a bunch of hearts. So I'm going to come, we're just going to randomly at different directions. We're just going to tilt our hearts, but I'm just going to quickly come in here. Some big hearts, small hearts. It's all up to you, but change up the sizes so it's a little bit more interesting. And so here and there. I'm just going to draw some really big ones, some small ones. But we just want to fill in the space as best as we can. So maybe like one huge one right here. And sometimes they're skinnier. It's all up to you. Just I really hope you have fun drawing this bottle of hearts to celebrate Valentine's. Let's see here, have some space, or we can just imagine like there's a big, really big heart right here in the back. That way you don't have to draw too much stuff, right? Let's see here. Okay, let's leave one more here, maybe. Okay, so hopefully you get the idea. Now we're gonna draw some up here as well. Another one going this way. And we're definitely gonna draw some up here, like it's kind of going up. So it's right here. And maybe this one is a little bit bigger. And one more. There. And if you want to spruce it up even more, we can, let's see here. We can put in some these sparkles. Sparkle shapes. And another one here. There, nice and sparkly. You can put some in here too as well. Oh, let's see here. Okay, maybe one here. Decisions, and one, put one here. There. Okay, that is pretty much it. This one didn't really make sense because then that would be like a really, well, you know what, let's try to make sense of it. So I'm gonna come right here and that pop out right here, there. Something like that. So like I said, you can spruce, put more hearts in the back right here, so then this whole back part here is all nice and red. There. So part of it. Okay, I'm done. Sorry about that. That is pretty much it. And so when you're coloring it, just give it a little edge right here of a blue just to make it more look like a jar. And I don't want to do that with a Sharpie because that would be too harsh and black. So but that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this bottle of love to celebrate Valentine's. I really hope you love how it turned out and I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.